Christina Hitchcock with Old National Investments. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. I appreciate it. IRAs are one of the most popular retirement savings vehicles in use today. If you own an IRA, be sure you are familiar with all of the latest rules governing them, including contribution limits, tax deductibility rules, and distribution guidelines. Here's a refresher course on IRAs, how they work, and how they can help you plan for retirement. IRAs continue to play an increasingly prominent role in the retirement savings and investment strategies of Americans. According to the Investment Company Institute, ICI, more than 1/3 of U.S. households owned IRAs in 2017. Traditional IRAs, the most common variety, are held by more than 1/4 of the U.S. households, followed by Roth IRAs and employer-sponsored IRAs. In general, the most you can contribute to an IRA for 2019 is $6,000. However, if you are age 50 or older, you can make an additional catch-up contribution of $1,000, which brings the maximum annual contribution to $7,000. One potential area of confusion around IRAs concerns an individual's eligibility to make contributions. In general, tax rules require that you must have a compensation to contribute to an IRA. Compensation includes income from wages and salaries and net self-employment income. If you are married and file a joint tax return, only one spouse needs to have the required compensation. With regard to Roth IRAs, income may affect your ability to contribute. For the tax year 2019, individuals with an adjusted gross income, AGI, of $122,000 or less may make a full contribution to a Roth IRA. Married couples filing jointly with an AGI of $193,000 or less may also contribute fully for the year. Contribution limits begin to decline or phase out for individuals with AGIs between $122,000 and $137,000. And for married couples with AGIs between $193,000 and $203,000. If your income exceeds these upper thresholds, you may not contribute to a Roth IRA. You may begin withdrawing money from a traditional IRA without penalty after age 59 and a half. Generally, previously untaxed contributions and earnings are taxable at the then current regular income tax rate. Non-deductible contributions are generally not taxable because those amounts have already been taxed. You must begin receiving minimum annual distributions from your traditional IRA no later than April 1st of the year following the year you reach age 70 and a half, and then annually thereafter. If your distributions in any year after you reach 70 and a half are less than the required minimum, you may be subject to an additional federal tax equal to 50% of the difference. Unlike traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs do not require the account holder to take distributions during his or her lifetime. This feature can be very attractive to those individuals who would like to use the Roth IRA as an estate planning tool. I hope you have found this information useful. As always, feel free to contact me if you have any questions. I would love to talk with you about your financial goals. Until next time, thanks for listening and have a wonderful day.